Hello everyone. My name is Alice and welcome to another video about false friends. Part 2. Let's start. The first couple of words we're going to look at today is envy and enviar. To envy means to wish you had something another person has. Envidiar. For example, I envy her ability to control her nerves when she speaks in public. Enviar means to send. The next two words are parade and parada. Parade is a large number of people working or in vehicles all going in the same direction, usually as a part of celebration of something. For example, every year Carnival Parade attracts millions of people. Meanwhile, parada means a bus stop. The following two words are actual or actual. Actual means real, real. For example, we had estimated about 300 visitors, but actual number was much higher. Actual means current. The next couple of words are casualty and casualidad. Casualty means a victim, víctima. For example, according to the police report, a train was derailed, but there were no casualties. Casualidad means coincidence. The next pair of words is sensible and sensible. Sensible means reasonable, sensato. For example, the only sensible things to do is to recycle. Meanwhile, sensible means easy to cry, sensitive. The next couple of words is city and cita. City is a large town. For example, Wellington is the capital city of New Zealand. And cita means appointment. The next couple of words are code and codo. Code is a system of numbers, letters, and signals that used to represent something in shorter and more convenient form. For example, the message was written in code. And codo means elbow. The next couple of words are bizarre and bizarro. Bizarre means very strange, unusual, raro. For example, the party was too bizarre for me. Meanwhile, bizarro means brave, courageous. The next words are incidentally and incidente. Incidentally means by the way, de paso. For example, we had a marvelous meal at the restaurant you recommended. Incidentally, I must give you the number of one similar I know. Incidente means accident. And the last two words we're going to look at today are idiom and idioma. Idiom is a group of words in a fixed order that has a particular meaning, and this meaning is different from the meanings of each word on its own. For example, an idiom to have a lot of my plates means I have too much to deal with. Idioma means a language. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more videos, follow my channel. Bye bye for now.